I love you, mom. So we could say after 21 years, the writer's wife told him he needs to take another woman for dinner and a movie. And she said that I love you, but this other woman also loves you too much. And the author was wondering, like, what is that his wife was talking? And that is none other than his mother. So she was only talking about, referring about his mother who loves him too much. And it has been long time since she's been taken out. So his wife wants him to take his mother for a dinner. So his mother has been a widower for 19 years. So his work and his three children and other things have demanded him, okay, visiting his mother only occasionally. Like he never goes, meets her, talks with her. So uh, this is what his wife was telling him. You better go and take your mother for a dinner and a movie. And that is why the author was, okay. He thought like he should take his mother one day. So he decided to call her for dinner and movie and made her a call a bit later in the night. So his mother got a bit curious and instead of readily accepting, she inquired about everybody's health and showed her anxiety that there any bad news because it was late night, so she got a little bit tensed and my son is calling at this time. But she said that she wanted to spend time with him at least for a while and that is more than enough and she doesn't want her to go for a movie and all. But then he made her accept and he took her for a on Friday when he drove to pick her up. He became nervous. She too was nervous and was standing near her doorsteps. She was wearing the dress bought for her last wedding anniversary and she looked like an angel in her radiant smile. She had been happily telling her friends about her program that day, and at the restaurant, the son said he would order for her. She recalled how she used to order for him when he was a small boy. The son said he wanted her to sit relaxed as it was his turn to return the favor. He talked at length about the recent happenings in their lives and then how he happened to miss the movie. Then, while he left her at her residence, she expressed a desire to go out with him again. When his wife asked him about the dinner, he said that it was more than what he had imagined. He enjoyed himself like anything. A few days later, his mother died of heart attack. He received an envelope containing a copy of a receipt from the same restaurant where she dined with her. She had mentioned in the letter that she had paid in advance for two plates, one for him and the other for his wife. She was not sure if she could be there. So this is what has happened. She is no more. She concluded the letter with these words, I love you, son. So only then he realized how it is important to say in time, I love you, to the loved ones at the time they deserve. All people have to realize that nothing is more important than God and their family. We have to give them the time they deserve because such things cannot be postponed to some other time. Okay, the love, whatever you want to express to your loved ones, please do it then and there. That is the only message of this lesson. I love you, mom. The narrator wanted this message to be passed to everyone with an aging parent or to a child, to an adult, and to anyone with a parent. They just wanted to say this. If you're loving anyone, they deserve, you have to show their love to them at that very moment. Okay, love for people should not be taken for granted but must be expressed at the right time. People we love the most are the people we hate the most. So this happens in our life every time. We go, keep on be fighting with people. Actually, we love them a lot. That's why we fight with them a lot. But whatever happens, when you are really, really bursting out, whatever you feel, it is the right time. You think it is the right time, and there is no other time for you to say all those things out. So please do express yourself without any delay. Love and care should be expressed. So this is the only message our author is trying to give to us with regards to "I love you, my mom" lesson. Thank you.